Losing a loved one is hard, and dealing with the house they left behind, that can be just as tough. Probate homes often come with unpaid mortgages, utility bills, taxes, and years of wear and tear. Heirs are left to deal with it all, often alone and often labeled difficult for not knowing where to start. This is exactly why investors come knocking. They know you're stressed. They offer cash, fast closings, and no repairs. Sounds good, right? Here's the catch. Those same investors are in it for one thing: profit. And that means buying your home for the lowest possible price. There are three kinds of investors. Wholesalers find a buyer and take a fee. Flippers fix it up and resell fast. Buy and hold investors fix it up and rent it for years. The last group usually pays the most, but you rarely hear from them. That's where I come in. As a professional realtor and a member of multiple investor groups, I know exactly how investors think, negotiate, and lowball. Instead of selling to just one investor, I put your probate home in front of all of them. Wholesalers, flippers, buy and hold buyers, and even regular buyers looking for fixer-uppers. They bid against each other. The result? You get the highest net sale, still as is, still fast, still no repairs. But now, it's on your terms. When emotions are high and decisions feel hard, you deserve a professional who brings clarity, competition, and cash to the table. I don't just list probate homes, I fight to make sure you get every dollar you deserve. Get the highest net sale with the least hassle. Let's talk.